name's Amy. I live in Pennsylvania. My husband and I moved here with our kids when they were just little, about 18 years ago. Honestly, this deck is our favorite room of the house. So when we first moved in, the house was brand new and we really loved it. The builder had put on a wood deck and, it was nice enough. But honestly, over the years, it really started to fall apart. It took a lot of maintenance and it just started to feel like the wood deck was an eyesore. So after about 10 years, we finally said, we just need to do something differently. So then we found out about this new product that Trex had called Trex Transcend. And it was the first time where I looked at something and I was like, wow, that looks great. I can imagine having that on the back of my house. And it's not going to have some of the problems of other composite products that I had heard about from friends or read online. It's not going to scratch, it's not going to stain, it's not going to fade, it's going to stay the same color as it is. And 4 years later, it's actually true. The deck looks as great now as it did when we first put it on 4 years ago, and which is really pretty amazing. Summer is absolutely my favorite time of year. So we spend every minute possible out here. We try and get as much out of the season as we can. It's just really a nice, place to come out and relax and sort of get away from the busy hustle and bustle of the day and have some nice quiet time together. This is not only everything I imagined, but even more.